What's up, guys? It's the anti-CEO CEO. You know what it's all about. We don't fuck with these fake gurus. Today, I'm going to give you guys a really quick rundown. I'm going to show you guys how to find profitable items on eBay for you to drop ship. I'm going to help you find other drop shippers. It's going to come in really handy in the long term. You got to build up a drop ship list of other drop shippers, and I'm going to help you find everything that you need within the next 2 or 3 minutes. The first thing that you need to do is download this plugin, the completed eBay listings on eBay plugin. And I'm going to show you exactly what it does, and you can use this practically on any site. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a new tab. All right. And I'm going to go to Amazon.com. And with this plugin installed, all you have to do is just right click this. And if you see right here, there's a completed eBay listings selection that you can click on. And I do that right there. Boom. It instantly takes me to eBay, and it shows me all the same exact items that are being sold. Sometimes you're going to have to click on sold items right here on the left, and it's going to show me these people. If they have a stock image like this or this, like this, any one of these, usually the ones with the white background, they're being drop shipped. Don't get fooled though with the bids. That's actually auctions. You don't want that. You usually want just like to buy it now. And this is for the exact title. You can obviously change that around. And the way to figure out if this item is profitable is to go to the original item, see what it's going for. This one goes for $19.43. And with eBay dropshipping, you're going to roughly pay anywhere from possibility of 23% on a difference of what you're going to get hit with in fees. So depending on what state you are, you could get hit with taxes up to 10%, maybe more. eBay fees usually are about 9 to 10%, and PayPal is 3%. So just right there, you have 23% markup that you'd have to do. And using simple math, that's damn near a quarter of the price. If you find someone else selling this item for more than 25%, they're drop shipping and they're making profit. So if the item is being sold right here at $19.43, about 25% of this item is going to be $5. It's a little bit less, 4 and some change. But me knowing that now, I could add $4 or $5 to this price, making it $23, $24. Anyone selling it here for about $23 or more is drop shipping and making it money. So this guy right here, he is drop shipping this item and making money. He's making good $2, $3. Boom. I have a drop shipper. I could save his name, and I also have an item. Boom. Quick way to find items. If I can give you a super tip right here, the best way to actually do this is to go ahead and go to Amazon, the hot new selling or the top list, top selling items. If I can do that. Usually you could just type that into Google. It'll give you the Amazon.com bestsellers. And you can pretty much go through every single one of these items. I could just pretty much right click this, do the same exact thing, completed eBay listings. Boom, and it'll open up another tab, and I can look and see what is it priced at over here at Amazon. I have to open it apparently. $10.99. So anyone with a markup of roughly $2 on top of this item is drop shipping and making money. So bada bing, I need to hit sold items to see what's selling. And boom, right there. This person's selling it for $14.70, $14.38. These people are making profit. They're making $2 or more on this product. Great item. How did I get it? 1 minute. Amazon top seller. Right click. Completed eBay listings. Boom. I added a markup in my head. Just imagined it. Hey, how do I do this? Pretty simple. Take 25% of whatever the cost of the price of the item is on Amazon, and you add it to the item. So this is about $10, $11. I could say roughly $2, $2.50, somewhere around there you're gonna pay in fees. So I add that to the item. Anyone selling this above $12.99, $13.99 is making money. And dollars and cents. Sometimes it's $5. Sometimes higher end items, it might be $10, $15, $20. Depends on your hustle, depends on the item, how much you're sourcing for, and how much you sell it for. But this is a great way for you to start finding items right now to repost on your account and start making some money. I'm out. I'm going to add another list, probably here or right there, of a couple other drop shippers for you to check out. Have a good day, guys. Peace.